Забудься. Ты что, ненормально, что?
Paused. System thinking. No results found.
Stop the ball being back in the net as possible.
It is only one goal that separates us from damage.
Paused. System thinking. No results found.
What the hell? What? Stop.
What do we got?
Eu vou te bater, rapaz.
Deixa ele pular, não sei se você sabe.
Mi, jaki duży jesteś.
That calm little face is a strong protective instinct.
You're caught red-handed using your superior balance for all the wrong reason, kiddo. Being chosen by kittens isn't always a good thing because you basically become their bed instead. People's vertical jump.
I gotcha. You're such a...
They aren't even trying to look cool with bossy attitude and gangster vibe, they just are.
Protect with strength, others protect with heart.
What is...
Switch. Otherwise, you're just gonna have enough height.
Oh, she's scared.
I want to get a picture of you and Nancy with it.
Nancy.
Pose with it. Give it a kiss.
Nancy.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
Sometimes being the bigger cat means walking away. They act the same, move the same, must run in the family.
Making pranks is easy, but cleaning it up is the hard part. Lesson for you, mate.
Meow. Oh.
What's the best way to make an octopus laugh? With 10 tickles.
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Oh!
Çok korkunç görünüyor.
Hey Human, where do you think you're touching? Look everyone, my servant's weird. Portion is already 50-50 in those furball's eyes.
Even without words, his actions say enough already.
Kiddo wanna compliment the chef, but your eating capacity can't tell, and you gotta do this, huh? The ones who look the bravest are actually the ones ready to bolt anytime. No joke. That's trying to steal their grooming job. A real cat is one that overreacts at every little thing. See you next time.
Think it found something. Nope, just a big imagination. Cat stares like that, you just know trouble's coming. It's not always peaceful, but it's never boring.
Meow. Oh.
Good boy, Ollie.
Смотри, что тут происходит. Бойся, пожалуйста. Сейчас.
Kittens are naturally high energy, so when they're happy, they get hyped easily and need an immediate outlet.
Nampak ada hujan dah. Ada hujan mana lalu keluar.
Not this hyperverbal is connected to the carpet with an invisible... Powerful to impress the ladies, he wouldn't be overreacting like this.
And Tom, this community is not alone. Advocacy groups say that nationwide more than 700...
They aren't even trying to look cool with bossy attitude and gangster vibe, they just are.
Fortunately, I did not check my outfit before meeting my girlfriend's family.
They act the same, move the same, must run in the family. Protect with strength, others protect with heart. Day, wishing you good health, peace, and the joy of always having a little companion by your side. If this moment touched your heart, please like, comment, and follow the channel.
You ready? Fight! Here we go! Tonight's clock.
Try again.
What do you call a pile of kittens? A meowton.
Fındık. Günaydın.
Are you so bored with the flavors of the world that you decided to taste yourself instead?
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Even the most carefree kittens are just like kids. There's always a boogeyman.
That cat clearly decided his dad is off limits to everyone.
No, Stinky, that's your head. Stinky, knock it off. Stinky.
The dog looked tough until the cat showed up. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this tender
Buddy!
What do we got?
See? They're just like human babies, only with much softer fur and no pacifier needed.
A lot to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no.
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
So cute and not done like that.
Ah!
Алиса, что с тобой? Алиса, что с тобой? Алиса.
This furball's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
I wanna kill my mom! I wanna kill my dad!
What?
Oliver, get the baby, stop him.
Oi, Ola.
For a babysitter because the cat is keeping an eye on the baby's every move. Thought it was watching TV? Turns out it's studying moves. Thought it was watching TV? Turns out it's studying moves.
She'll bite his neck and take it over.
Oh my gosh!
Every girl dreamed of dressing up as a princess, and this little lady is no exception.
Y'all live together!
Like your belly rub. What face is that? Why do you do it? Are you just stuck in?
Think it found something. Nope, just a big imagination.
This isn't just an ASMR milk drinking video from a tiny food blogger, indeed.
No obstacle is enough to stop him from protecting his child.
The tiger, iconic symbol of the wild. And it
Oh my... This little furball's independent streak kicked in way too early. He knows how to keep himself entertained.
Oliver, get the baby, stop him.
This kiddo's like, oh, am I busted? Well, I don't care.
A mother's love always becomes strongest when her child is in danger.
репетитивные ужасы, когда там тихо, 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 и вдруг там выпрыгнул из-за стенки все там от телевизора.
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Someone has the instinct for silent movement, but just can't overcome their overdramatic personality.
ลูกเขาอะฉันจะตีลูกฉันน่ะ
How many hearts do you see?
Bleed until I can't breathe.
Facing a huge dog without backing down at all. Gets near their baby without permission first.
To choose between catching the ball and maintaining that famous feline skillfulness.
A mother's love always becomes strongest when her child is in danger.
Benim bilmiyorsun, ne olacak yani, sen isteyecek çocuğu.
You're bothering him. You're bothering him. You did this. He was fine sitting.
The whole bath. Oh my god!
What are you doing?
Hey! Hey! Are you happy now?
Yeah.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
Good. Can you get down? Can you get down? Good job. You're very graceful.
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test.
I want to get a picture of you and Nancy with it.
Nancy!
Pose with it. Give it a kiss.
Nancy!
Hey, calm down.
What? Protecting that little one is his only mission.
Aren't you tired of hoping the right candidates see your job posts and apply? It's like trying to find a
I'm evil, kitty.
Even the most carefree kittens are just like kids. There's always a boogeyman.
The tiger, iconic symbol of the wild. And it...
You see that pose and think, well, that can't be comfy.
What do you call a pile of kittens? A meowton.
Dylan, can you please get it off the porch?
Where did you come from? What are you doing?
Примитивные ужасы, когда там тихо, 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 и вдруг там выпрыгнул из-за стенки все там от телевизора.
Stay ahead when you hit those first down passes. They don't seem like a lot, but second and 10 is a lot different than second.
That calm little face is a strong protective instinct.
Good.
Humor.
Good.
Get down from there. That's bad. You loony.
Good morning. Good morning.
This orange fella must be dreaming that he's a master chef making a fresh batch of biscuit.
Aren't you tired of hoping the right candidates see your job posts and apply? It's like trying to find a
Benim değil mi olsun? Ne olacak yani? Sen isteyecek çocuğu.
The whole bath.
Where did you come from? What are you doing?
Buddy!
Ouch, ouch. Meow!
Опа-на. Ты чё боишься?
If you've never seen your cat overreact before, a mirror will help you right away. To choose between catching the ball and maintaining that famous feline skillfulness.
What's the best way to make an octopus laugh? With 10 tickles.
This little furball's independent streak kicked in way too early. He knows how to keep himself entertained.
Mi, jaki duży jesteś.
Get him.
Check him out. My man gets real.
No, Stinky, that's your head. No. Stinky, knock it off. Stinky.
ايوه ايوه عيني بارد قوي ما تدريش عنه
لا هي مش هتقدر تدافع.
Eu vou te bater, rapaz.
Deixa ele pular, não sei se você sabe.
George.